The animal I chose is the lion, a large cat from the genus Panthera. They're typically found in sub-Saharan Africa, West Africa, and a small population in India. There are many habitats that lions live in, from open plains to thick bushlands. An interesting fact about lions is that they are very adaptable animals, and they're able to live in dry areas and get their water from plants and prey. The temperatures they typically live in range from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, and they're the most active at night. A lion's social network is called a pride, consisting of groups of related individuals with their offspring, including related females and males. A group of male lions is called a coalition. For the unwelt, the first would be olfactory. A lion's sense of smell is important because it increases their chances of reproductive success. It does this because their sense of smell alerts lions when predators, allows them to detect potential mates, hunt at night, establish territoriality by having scent deposits. They can accurately sense prey from about a mile away, and they have Jacobson's organ, which sends chemical messages between the same species. The second would be vision. Visual acuity allows lions to locate prey from far distances, especially at nighttime. Lions have less cones than humans, which affects how well they distinguish color. They're able to determine differences between the shades of gray, allowing them to have excellent night vision. For hearing, the lions have movable ears that allow them to pick up sounds from different locations, and they hear prey for up to miles away. A male lion roars in order to show territoriality and their power, and it can be heard from 5 miles away and reaches 114 decibels. For taste, lions have 470 taste buds compared to humans. Since lions are carnivores, they're sensitive to bitter flavors. This is important because lions are able to differentiate between rancid meat and fresh meat. The taxis in particular to a lion would be chemotaxis, which is the movement in response to a chemical. In this case, lions navigate towards a smell of blood that signals food. Since lions do not tolerate the cold too well, if the planet cooled by 5 degrees Celsius, their feeding activity could be affected since they aren't used to catching prey in the snow. My scientific question would be, do male lions display aggressiveness more often than female lions? My hypothesis would be that male lions are more aggressive to protect the pride's territory, which would be a functional question from Tim Burton. For my dendrogram, I would be evaluating individual and social behavior. The first would be walking, which is the animal moving forward in a sedate pace and no sign of haste. Running, the animal is moving forward at a rapid pace with indications of haste. Stalking, the animal chooses to target and approach in a quiet manner in order to surprise them. It would be allogrooming, the animal grooms another individual using its tongue. Then would be mounting, a male attempts to stimulate copulation with a female by mounting from behind. And aggression, the animal shows signs of aggression toward another individual, ranging from hissing or growling to physical contact. The type of data I would use to collect this would be focal sampling, because I would be examining differences between male and female lions in the same exhibit, so this would be an event. To enhance the quality of the observational data, I would select an area with good view of the lions and rewatch my observational video to make sure that I did not miss any behaviors.